what's up, guys? I hope my mic is working. I'm down here with Cody. We're down by Cody's house, just doing some stunts. Had a lot near his house. He's on his mountain bike. I'm on the Grom, and we're out here stunting, brah. Stunting. Boom. Stunt game getting strong. And a lot of the times I'm having a problem finding the foot brake, you know, like once I get up to that point, like I feel like I have so much time to tap it, and it's like I just freeze, my brain freezes. It's almost like my foot brake needs to kind of come closer to my foot. Look, it's like I'm having to push like too far down or something. I don't know what it is, but on it, like once I get up there, it's like my foot, I can't find the right amount of pressure. I either put too much on it or I can't find it right. And I took that spring off. I chased it out there. I know, guys. You're gonna be like, oh, you shouldn't chase them out. Whatever. I'm just happy I got there and I was able to ride it out. But it's a lot, man. It's not like riding a bike, that's for sure. Sweet helmet, bro, matches your mohawk. Oh. Oh yeah, I've always wanted to do this. I mean, even though he's on my bike, I've always wanted to do this. Watch this, I'm gonna get him. What I'm trying to do. You son of a bitch, you get back here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Right around. Got him! Damn. Hey, you don't have a kickstand, bro.
I know. Expensive bikes don't for some reason.
Huh.
I guess because that's the last thing you want to come down while you're going downhill. Like a kickstand going down.
No way. What if you wanted to stop really quick? Maybe it would help if, like, I could see what I look like. Can you get a couple videos of me doing them? Like, I'm still not there. Okay.
The only reason you're staying up that one time is because you're bop, 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 and then you get too fast for it.
Yeah. Ooh, that felt kind of sketcy when I started going sideways a little bit. But, just slowly brought it down, and we're good. You could tell he's jealous. He's jealous. I saw it in his face. That was a good one. He's totally jealous. He was like, God damn it. But Chris is getting good at this.